6 of the top 50 websites in the world were porn sites.
Is porn just a harmless form of entertainment, or does it have hidden effects on our brain and our relationships?
It went from like an innocent curiosity to an out-of-control compulsion.
We know that porn is addictive.
Dr. Trish Leigh is a cognitive neuroscience and brain health expert, specializes in helping individuals overcome compulsive behaviors, including porn addiction.
Porn use causes sexual arousal dysfunction. I work with 20-year-olds with ED. They don't even have a chance. Porn use creates a lot of mental health issues because of the brain dysfunction, literal brain dysfunction. Most times people do need professional help. That's why I'm so excited to have the book out there. The publisher is hopeful that it's going to be the gold standard in porn addiction recovery. Your sex life can improve, your intimacy can improve, your mental and physical health can improve, your brain structure and function can improve. Literally every aspect of your life.